A very good morning to all of you. Now let's continue with the chapter where we had left yesterday. Now we have read yesterday that Valli had gone in the bus. She is traveling in the bus. She is going to another town. She is very excited because for the first time she is going to travel by the bus. She is in the bus but she doesn't want to behave like a child. She doesn't want to behave that she is careless. She is feeling very terrified, or she is feeling like a child. She is very anxious, but she behaves like a grown up person and doesn't allow anyone to behave to her like a child. Okay, so as she was continuing with her journey, the bus stopped at a place and there more people boarded into the bus, and a lady boarded into the bus who was eating the betel nut. So because of that, Valli was very repellent, and she didn't want to sit with that lady, and but she didn't have any place, so that's why she kept on sitting over there. Now she was an old lady, and because of that, seeing a girl and small girl, a child sitting next to her, she started talking to her. And but what happened? Valli didn't want to talk to any of the strangers. So when the lady asked, "Are you all alone, dear?" Then Valli was in no mood to ask. Simply she said the answer, "Yes, I am traveling alone, and I have got a ticket too." That is, she thought that maybe the lady is thinking that I am all alone and I have not even taken the ticket. And the conductor intervened in between, and what she said, yes, she is on her way to town and with a 30 paisa ticket. "Oh, why don't you mind your own business?" said Valli. But she laughed all the same, and the conductor laughed too. So it means that she was a self-dependent girl, and she didn't want to anyone to interfere in her work. Then the lady was an old woman, and that's why she wanted to talk to Valli, because they were on a journey in the bus, and she thought that she will talk to the little girl, not knowing that Valli was not in any mood to talk. So what the lady said, that is it proper for such a girl of your age to travel alone? So then Valli gave the answer, "No, you don't bother about me. I can worry about myself. I can take care of myself." Clear? Then again there are the oral comprehension check questions. Why does the conductor call Valli madam? So why did he call her madam? Because she was behaving in a mature manner. She was behaving like a grown up lady. Then second one, why does Valli stand up on the seat? Valli stood up on the seat because she was a little girl, her height was less, and while sitting on the seat, she was not able to look at the scenes outside. And what does she see now? She saw the different scenes, the trees, and the other things that were there outside the window. What does Valli tell the elderly man when he calls her a child? What did she tell the elderly man? She told the elderly man that she was not a child, she was mature enough to take care of herself. Why didn't Valli want to make friends with the elderly woman? She didn't want to make friends with the elderly woman because she thought that that woman is a stranger, and another thing was that the woman was eating betel nut, which was not liked by Valli. Now let's continue with the third part of this chapter. Now it was her first journey. Very carefully, very painstakingly, by making elaborate plans, she had started for the journey. And how she had saved for the journey? She had thriftily saved whatever stray coins came her way, resisting every temptation to buy peppermints, toys, balloons, and the like. And finally, she had saved a total of 60 पैसा. तो उसने बस में जाने के लिए पैसे कैसे जोड़े थे, कैसे इकट्ठे किए थे? उसको जो भी पैसे मिलते थे खिलौनों के लिए, टॉफ़ी वगैरह के लिए, वो सब वो बचा के रखती थी, खर्च नहीं करती थी. और उसने टोटल 60 पैसा जोड़ा था इस तरह से. How difficult it had been, particularly that day at the village fair, but she had resolutely stifled a strong desire to ride the merry-go-round even though she had the money. यहाँ तक कि जब वो मेले में गई तब भी उसने वहाँ पे कोई पैसा खर्च नहीं किया झूलों पे या खाने पे, और उस पैसे को बचा करके रखा. फिर जब उसके बाद काफ़ी पैसा हो गया था उसके पास, उसको ही लगा कि मेरे पास अब सफिशिएंट मनी है मैं बस में आने जाने के लिए, तो उसके पास अगली प्रॉब्लम क्या आती है कि अपनी मदर को क्या बोलूँ मैं, क्योंकि अगर वो घर पे बता के आती तो कोई उसको नहीं आने देता अकेले बस में. लेकिन ये भी उसने प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट कर ली. और क्या हुआ कि हर रोज़ उसकी मदर लंच के बाद 1 घंटे के लिए 1-1.5 घंटे के लिए उसकी मदर थोड़ी देर लेटती थी, सोती थी, मोस्टली बिटवीन 1 to 4 PM. तो वल्ली ने सोचा कि ये समय बिल्कुल सही है, आई कैन गो एट दिस टाइम एंड माई मदर विल ऑल्सो नॉट कम टू नो सम. And that was the time when Valli used to go out and move about in the village. तो वही टाइम उसने सोचा कि इसी टाइम पे मैं जा कर के बस में जाके और वापस आ सकती हूँ. The bus rolled on now. Now the bus was moving about. The journey was continuing, and now the bus was moving across the bare landscape. Then tiny hamlet. Hamlet means tiny villages came in between. And sometimes the bus seemed on the point of gobbling up another vehicle that was coming towards them, or a pedestrian crossing the road. But gobbling मतलब ऐसा लगता था कि अभी टक्कर हो जाएगी, लेकिन नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता था. वो सीधा सेफली बस आगे बढ़ रही थी. फिर उसने देखा बाहर कि ऐसे लग रहा था कि पेड़ भाग रहे हैं और उनकी बस आगे जा रही है, जैसे कि हम कोई भी व्हीकल में जाते तो हमको फील होता है. Suddenly Valli clapped her hands with glee. Glee means happily. बहुत खुशी से उसने अपने हैंड्स क्लैप करना शुरू करा. क्यों? A young cow, tail high in the air, was running very fast right in the middle of the road, right in front of the bus. एक गाय भाग रही थी सामने, बिल्कुल बस के सामने. The bus slowed to a crawl and the driver sounded his horn loudly again and again, but the more he honked, the more frightened the animal became and faster it galloped, always right in front of the bus. बार बार हॉर्न देने के बाद भी वो गाय बार बार बस के सामने आ जाती थी. Somehow this was very funny to Valli. She laughed and laughed until there were tears in her eyes. Hey lady, haven't you laughed enough? Called the conductor. Better save some for tomorrow. तो एकदम से कंडक्टर बोला कि बहुत हंस लिया, अब कल के लिए भी कुछ रोक लो. लेकिन वो क्यों हंस रही थी? क्योंकि उसके लिए सब बहुत नया था. At last the cow moved off the road and soon the bus came to the railroad crossing. A speck of a train could be seen in the distance, growing bigger and bigger as it drew near. Then it rushed past the crossing gate with a tremendous roar and rattle, shaking the bus. तो एक बीच में रेलवे क्रॉसिंग भी आई जब उसने देखा कि ट्रेन सामने से निकल करके गई. उसके बाद बस और आगे गई और फिर एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपन, देयर वर मेनी प्लेसेस, मेनी शॉप्स आल्सो वर देयर ऑन द साइड्स व्हिच वर सीन बाय Valli. And after that, now finally the bus had reached the town and everybody got off. Then conductor asked Valli that you have given 30 paisa, so you have to get down over here. तो वल्ली ने क्या बोला, नहीं मैं तो इसी बस में अभी वापस भी जाऊंगी. तो कंडक्टर ने पूछा कि क्या बात है, उसने कहा कि नहीं मेरे को तो सिर्फ बस में घूमने आना था. और कंडक्टर ने पूछा कि तो तुम्हें टाउन नहीं देखना है? तो उसने कहा कि नहीं मैं अकेले टाउन में नहीं घूमूंगी, मैं इससे अच्छा है कि मैं बस में ही बैठी रहूँगी. तो फिर कंडक्टर ने भी मजाक करते हुए बोला कि तुम्हें आते हुए तो डर नहीं लगा था? उसने कहा कि बस में आने में कैसा डर है, बस में आने में कोई डर की बात नहीं है. Well then why don't you go to that stall over there and have something to drink? Nothing to be afraid of about that either. Oh no, I couldn't do that. Well then let me bring you a cold drink. No, I don't have enough money. Just give me my ticket. It will be my treat and not cost you anything. तो कंडक्टर ने सोचा कि छोटी बच्ची है, उसने कुछ नहीं खाया तो उसने बोला कि तुम्हारे लिए ड्रिंक लेकर आऊँ, कोल्ड ड्रिंक लेकर आऊँ या कुछ लेकर आऊँ, लेकिन वल्ली ने फॉर्मली मना कर दिया कि नहीं मेरे पास इतने पैसे नहीं हैं और मेरे को ये चाहिए भी नहीं है. Then the conductor shrugged and they waited until it was time for the bus to begin the return journey. Again, there were not many passengers. Now, while the return journey also, there were not many passengers in the bus. Now, next we have the oral comprehension questions. How did Valli save up money for her first journey? Was it easy for her? कैसे पैसे जोड़े थे उसने? अपने खिलौनों का पैसे काट करके खिलौने पे खर्च नहीं किया उसने, अपने स्वीट्स पे टॉफिस पे खर्च नहीं किया. इवन व्हेन शी वेंट टू द फेयर शी डिडंट स्पेंड द मनी ऑन द मैरी गो राउंड. ऑल्दो इट वाज नॉट इजी फॉर हर, बट इवन देन शी मैनेज टू save the money for her first journey. Now, what did Valli see on her way that made her laugh? Valli saw that a cow was jumping right in front of the bus, and the cow was moving very speedily. And as the driver used to horn, as the driver used to apply the horn, the cow again came in front of the bus. Why didn't she get off the bus at the bus station? She didn't get off the bus at the bus station because she had to return to the hometown by the same bus. Why didn't Valli want to go to stall and have a drink? Valli didn't want to go to stall and have a drink because she was not having enough money for that. What does this tell you about her? This tells that she is a very mature girl and she is not overcome by her desires. She knows what she has to do and she follows whatever she has decided. Clear? Now the fourth extract we will be doing tomorrow.